Hello, 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 everyone. It is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is thee, it is who? Who is it? How are you guys doing? Seems like I haven't been here in so long. What's it been, a couple of days or something? Anyway, it is me, it is I, it is she. Woo! It is her, it is thee, it is who? It is Rosie Rosette 2020, pal. How are you guys doing? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Yesterday I couldn't walk. I went walk to go to recycling. I walked over there because I gotta do something. You guys see how big I'm getting? My cheesies, my wide back, my booty. Oh my god! I went shopping somewhere. I'm gonna do another video, and I kept walking by the mirror. I was like, my booty is so big. I'm a big girl. I'm a BBW. I'm a BBW, and I'm like, ooh, I don't think I can do this much longer. I think after this weekend, I'm gonna have to go work out, do a water fast, do some keto, like do all of the above. I can't do this. I cannot do this. Anyway, it is me, and I was about to say anxiety, she is nervous or whatever, but I did that already. Okay, so let's jump right into it, honey, because it is a lot going on. All right, let's look at the news. Let's see what's going on in Cali. 6 hours ago, California coronavirus updates. U.S. Supreme Court says no to, I think, the mandates. No to Biden's vaccine mandate. Yep, told you. I'm getting pretty good at this, aren't I? All right. Let's see. So did I do it yesterday? No, I didn't do it yesterday, so I can do the things today. Okay, essential workers push to bring back COVID-19 sick pay in California. Ooh, let me tell you. Is there a Dublin, Virginia? Is that where the military is or the government or something? There was a position paying $60 an hour to do COVID screening. I was like, you best be glad I'm hurt. You best be, and all these like, oh, in Delta, ouch, they gave their people $1,250 a bonus. And are we getting are we getting the stimulus? Like, listen, it's just crazy. It's just too much going on. Okay, COVID-19. This is 7 hours ago. Regulations extended through April in California. Ooh, why don't you just shut us down until? See, they want Super Bowl. They need that Super Bowl money, and it's not in my room. And um, yeah, the stock market is going down. Okay, will COVID sick leave return to California? I told you about what they did at my job. I got my days. Will COVID sick leave return to California? Every California county is at the CDC's highest COVID transmission rate. Mm. Yolo County has highest COVID-19 testing rate in California, says health officer. Proposed 2022 and 2023 state budgets focuses on COVID-19. But they said that its peak is going to be like at the end of January. But didn't I? I think I predicted all this. You guys should listen. CDC, Gavin, Kamala. Who's the CDC director? I don't know. Okay, frontline workers push to bring back California supplemental COVID-19 paid sick leave during corona, coronavirus. Why is it coronavirus and COVID-19? Why can't it just be one name? Okay, because I can't. My brain. Let's see. School districts struggle to staff classrooms amid surge in COVID-19 cases. Every California county is at the highest COVID transmission rate. We did what to know about California's new COVID workplace restrictions. Hi, I gotta put on my glasses. I'm sorry, I gotta do all this stuff. I would like to tell you that I did, because I told you the other day I was almost blind, right? Not almost blind, but it's kind of blurry. I was like, oh, that's why I need to. I need to go on a water fast. I need to clear out my immune system, our digestive system, or something like that. Oh, 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 oh. How are you guys doing tonight? Let me get some more glasses too. How are you guys doing tonight? I hope you're doing fine. I can't make as many videos as I want to because my son is asleep. But you know, I can't stop my life because he's asleep. I don't have to scream, but I really need to start doing videos during the day. I just don't have enough time in the day. I don't. I'm trying to see, is that him getting up? But he normally doesn't go to bed this early. He usually goes to bed about 10. He put a order in for tomorrow for, okay, let's see, sorry. Let me put my little thing in. Well, you know what? I'm gonna order some of these because it's a little dirty. You see? Do you see that makeup? It's a little dirty. See? That's kind of disgusting. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, back to schedule programming. All right. Okay, now I can see. All right. Okay. Eagle Wolf. Gina has not been. Gina, are you there? Hi, Gina. How are you? Hi, my Eagle Wolf. Rob, Chrissy, how are you guys doing? Okay, so back to schedule programming. Okay, California Assembly candidate, vaccine skeptic ben, Benjamin Wu Yu talks about how COVID-19 sent him to ICU. Okay, well, thanks for sharing. Sure, it's like 180. Okay, I'm not going to be on that. Just let me stop. Increasing COVID-19 outbreaks among California nursing home workers. California Omicron surge expected to peak within weeks. That's what I'm saying. At the end of after Super Bowl. So after Super Bowl, okay. So after Super Bowl, there's Martin Luther King. No, that's this. Oh, okay, Martin Luther King is coming up. Let's talk about February. February President's Day weekend and Super Bowl. Like, doesn't that kind of ring it? President's Day weekend, Super Bowl. No. Super Bowl, President's Day weekend, and Valentine's Day. It's all kind of gonna like roll together. After that, I think things should be going down. Not the stock market, but just like other things. Okay, so let's get back into California sends thousands of COVID-19 tests kits to Monterey County as supply dwindles. Why COVID distributions at California colleges and universities different from March 2020. California hospital has 700 employees. Whoa! How does a hospital have 700 employees in isolation because of COVID? Isn't that's the entire hospital? I wonder what hospital was that. Wait, I'm sorry. I know we got to do it, but I just want to know what hospital is that. California Mid Nationwide. What hospital? The community center in Fresno. 717 employees will remain in their homes following corona protocols of self-isolation, and that 690 of those staff members have tested positive. Ooh. I was just telling my son, you know what? I need these surgeries. I need one on my shoulder. I need one on my ankle. But he was like, they may be putting it off because there's nowhere to serve you. And that's a good point. That's a really good point. Okay, COVID-19 status update for 1/14/22. Restaurants in Huntington Beach, Newport Beach suing insurance company over COVID-19 losses. That's not the insurance company. COVID-19 status update for, okay, restaurants in Huntington Beach. Okay, I think that's about it. Lake Tahoe Unified closes all schools after 1 in 4 students, staff, I guess is 1 in 4 students, staff test positive for COVID-19. All right. Okay, let's get to the numbers. Let's get to the numbers. Let's get to the numbers. Ooh, Gavin Newsom, honey, what you talking about? What you talking about? COVID-19 California testing, Omicron updates, vaccine and boosters. I still have not got my booster shot. Cause I don't know if I want to get one. If another one's gonna come in March, it's like, listen. Okay, I already got all this going on in here and here and there and there. I can't. And this risk, whatever, it's too much. It is absolutely too much. Okay, so California has 6.6, okay, 6.79 million cases in the past 24 hours. You know what? I am sick of y'all. No, I'm sick of it. I'm sick. I mean, I'm not literally sick, but I'm sick of y'all. I am literally sick of these numbers. 160,000, 160K, 160,000 people have contracted the coronavirus in California. Ooh. Now, as far as deaths, hmm, I guess what? And then I cut. I don't know. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I started. I don't know. Can someone tell me why I started doing that? Anyway, 77,940 people have passed away, gone, no, not coming back in California. So when people talk about, oh, I don't want to get vaccinated, the numbers are there. Now I can understand, the death before they had the vaccine, but now they have the vaccine, and a lot of doctors have said, and even the pastor at the service that I went to the other day, he said most of the people who, no, all of the people, not most, all of the people who he's had a service for who has passed away was not vaccinated. So you know what? That's on you, honey. Play that game if you want to. I'm not. In the past 20, oh my God, oh my back, oh, in the past 24 hours, 244. That's the most I've seen in a while. Ooh, oh, I just had some tea. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, goodness, I think it's all this adipose weight. That's the most I've seen in a while. I'm sorry, this is weird. That's the most I've seen in a while. You guys remember this T-shirt? I just got it last week. I really do like it. I'm getting big. Anyway, okay, now as far as the United States, my goodness, 64.9 million people have contracted the virus in the past. Lord Jesus, in the past 24 hours, 874,000 people 874,000 people have tested positive. That's almost a million. 874,000 people. I'm just trying to register that because I haven't, I got to start doing it. Well, I think while these numbers are just going insane. Oh, and I did find my mask. Okay, I got to get that. This it's getting worse. It's getting to the point where I'm just like, well, goodness, but people still, I mean, people are still living their life. People are traveling, people are working, people are going out to eat, people going to concerts, parties, events or whatever, Oh, but remember, I was like, my cousin's wife, I think she's some type of, she's not in Congress, she's a councilwoman in Maryland or something like that. Remember? I said about a month ago, I was like, wear your mask. Why doesn't anyone have a mask on? For Christmas, why didn't anybody have a mask? For New Year's Eve, why didn't anybody have a mask? For Thanksgiving, anybody? Okay, but I'm the crazy one. I just, okay, whatever, honey. I wears a mask. I got a whole entire bag. I think I got about 30 masks, all different colors. I was cute today. I had a few shampoo. Okay, let me keep on going. Oh, honey. I'm just stopping because my heart rate was up. I gotta stop eating these pistachios. That's my late at night. Actually, all day. I think that's all I've been eating lately. Pistachios. Okay, no, I did. I had Carl's Jr. Oh my God, I literally, but the salt is what gets, I think, my heart going. I'm gonna have to flush everything out. I'm sorry, I can't go out like this. Okay, so as far as deaths, 848,000 people. 848K. 800 and, I'm sorry, 848. I don't know what I said before, but that's what it is. 848K. In the past 24 hours, 2,269 people. This is just too much. I can't, you see I'm scratching or whatever because I'm not dirty. Lord knows I take 2 showers a day. I do. One in the morning, before I go to bed. I don't know how people don't take showers before you go to bed. All that bacteria in your bed and everything. That's nasty. People. Mm-mm. Don't listen. Don't come. If I ever get a big, huge mansion, don't come to my house and act like you're not gonna take a bath before you go to bed. Just you can go stay in a hotel. Like that's mandatory. You will not get on my sheets, honey, with that bacteria. No, actually. Well, I don't know if I want people to come to visit me because they don't be wiping. People don't wipe. That's why we got this coronavirus as it is. And people with them long nails with all that bacteria. No, don't think no. Dude, no, you can't wash. No, here's gloves here. Actually, can you double? Look, 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 look. This number is not right. It says 150. Now this is not right. Okay, that's yesterday. That's yesterday, not today. Oh, because okay. No, that's right. That's right. That because this is California. Okay. Yeah, this is California. Mhm. All right. So let's go to Texas. Let's go to Texas. Texas. This is real quick because they don't have no updated stories. Okay, one day ago, Austin Travis County tried to skirt Texas COVID-19 orders with new rules. 6 hours ago, for Texas children, COVID-19 hospitalizations are outpacing vaccinations. COVID-19 in Texas schools struggle to stay open amid Omicron surge. Duh. Well, if you got stupid governors who wants to ban all this is what happens when you have stupidity, ignorance. You hear from me, okay? Um, Texas never has any updates. I'm sorry. I guess it's this wig. It's not itchy, but I'm just like, COVID-19 Texas among North Texas nursing home nearly probably doubles, triples, quadruples, nearly doubles. Yep, that's what it has. It nearly doubles. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't even. Okay, Texas woman spends 3 days in line waiting for COVID test. Not I, honey. But by then sorry. By then you damn near cured after 3 days. DSHS updates COVID dashboard. Will no longer report recoveries or active cases totals. What is DSHS? That's not CDC, so I don't know. Lender ISD board approves 5 days of COVID-19 extended leave for staff. I don't know what lender. More Texas districts cancel school after MLK break due to staffing shortages. This is in the Dallas Morning News. Judge finds no reason to charge Texas mother who allegedly put son in a trunk. You know what, Bessica's? She's white. I'm just saying. I didn't say, and I didn't say, I'm just saying she's white. So take it out. Listen, I'm not offending anyone, defending, offending. Okay, more schools closed due to COVID-19 cases. Listen, now we had this conversation. The governors did all of this. Oh, no mandates, no masks, no this, no that. Well, this is what happens. This is what you don't have to get vaccinated. We don't want any federal money. It was either Texas or Florida. They're both the same. All these people in Texas parlaying, going out, partying. Okay. Every Texas county is at the highest COVID transmission rate. CDC. I mean, if you don't follow the rules, like rules are implemented for a reason. For a reason. And if you choose not to follow it, whether you're the governor, whether you're the mayor, councilman, or whatever from the feds, I mean, I don't think that the feds is just going to implement, something. So just because they don't have like congressmen, they don't have anything to do. No. No. They did it for a reason. But listen, everybody wants to move to Texas. I really wanted to move to Texas, but those property taxes. Oh no. Oh, not your girl. No, them property taxes. You pay just as much in property taxes as you will as a mortgage. Like, oh, please, not, no. Mm-mm. With hundreds of nurses out sick, San Antonio lawmakers of both parties asked for governor's help in staffing hospitals. So, wait a minute. First, you guys didn't want to wear the mask. Then, you didn't want to get vaccinated. Then, you didn't want to follow the protocols. Now, you didn't want the mandates. But now you want help in staffing. Really? 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 It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, but fact check. Are you 17 times more likely to be hospitalized for COVID-19 if unvaccinated? Yes, allegedly. Texas AFT, new TEA COVID-19 public health guidance released. I don't know what AFT, I don't know what TEA, I don't know. Game preview. K State concludes Homestead versus 1919. I don't know what that has to do with. What does that have to do with COVID? SXSW returns to Texas in 2022 with COVID-19 safety protocols in place. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the numbers. Okay. So Texas has 5.3 million cases in the past 24 hours. Oh, this is. Wait, hold on. No, this is. In the past 24 hours, 72,200 people contracted it. Now, as far as deaths in Texas, 77,235 people have passed away in Texas due to the coronavirus. In the past 24 hours, 118 have passed away. I just, people want to go out and party. You don't know. There's a lot of people in Texas on my Facebook. There's a lot of people, and everybody's moving there. So even if there's a lot of people from California that are, picking up and moving to Texas. Well, guess what? Backwards. For one thing, well, okay, no. Keep it. Let's just keep it sick. Let's keep it simple, stupid. Okay, let's go to Florida. This is gonna be real quick. You know how Florida gets down. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight to the news. I'm not gonna go to the top story. I'm going straight to the news. Right? Okay, here we go. Florida reports more than 429 cases of COVID-19 in the newest weekly report. So is that in a week? 429,000. Look. 429,000. There it is. Okay. Florida breaks record with 430,297 COVID cases this week. Okay, so that's this week. Thank God that's not for a day. Why? I don't know who these people are. All right. Latest number. Florida reports 59,061 new cases, I guess, in a day. They're reporting it right now. COVID-19 pediatric hospitalizations in Florida hit new record. That's 12 hours ago. Florida is living with COVID and freedom. I think that's the stupid attorney general, not attorney, what is it? The health master of the state, the doctor of the state. Where's that black doctor in California now that I think about it? She has big lips, beautiful brown skin, chocolate sister, whatever. Nice weave, This cute, real cute. I ain't seen her. What? Okay. I see Gavin Newsom, and Lord, you can tell when he's stressed because his voice. Anyway, Florida pediatric chiefs take threat of childhood COVID seriously. Oh, you want to take it? Weeks in Florida, Omicron wave surge of COVID-19 deaths begin. It's uncontrollable after Sarasota man moves parents to Florida. They died of COVID 1 week apart. Why would you want to move anyone to Florida during COVID? Florida of all places? Oh, I'm sorry that he lost his parents. Southwest Florida hospitals restrict care of workers fall to COVID during busiest time of year. Florida Senate moves quickly on COVID-19 legal protections. Now they want to be protected. I can't. COVID-19. Okay, Florida COVID-19 update. State surpasses 63,000 deaths as cases near 5 million. Latest numbers. Florida reports 55,573 new COVID-19 cases. Florida reports 55,000 new COVID cases, 262. Florida lawmakers fast track extension of COVID-19 legal protections for hospitals and nursing and blah blah blah. Accused Central Florida serial killer misses court appearance due to COVID-19. That's brother too. Northwest Florida hospital stay afloat despite increase to COVID-19 cases. Okay, well, where's the governor? I don't see the governor doing it. Florida COVID-19 hospitalizations near 12,000, 1 million COVID tests that expired in a Florida warehouse get FDA approval to use. Well, if it's expired, how is it? Can you? Okay. Oh, here it is. Governor Ron DeSantis won't enforce Supreme Court's ruling impacting COVID-19 vaccine for health. Okay, he needs to be impeached just for the ignorance of it all. But yeah, they voted for 1 million COVID tests that expired in a COVID Florida. Okay, yeah. DeSantis extension for COVID-19 legal protections on fast track. Okay, well that's good. Ooh, you know what's gonna happen? People ain't gonna start paying their rent again. Florida laboratory owner ran 7 million Medicare fraud, pushing expensive, unnecessary tests. Okay, what else was next? Okay, 10 hours ago, lawmakers moved to extend protections for health providers against COVID. I think COVID putting additional strain on emergency rooms in Central Florida. That's what happens when you feel like the federal mandates don't need to be happening in your state. But okay, let's look at the whatchamacallit. I'm just trying to see if won't. Okay, Florida won't enforce Florida federal health care worker vaccine mandate. They never really have. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh, you guys saw that, right? It scared the mess out of me. Oh, okay. I know exactly where they're doing it at too. Okay. Is there a holiday? Is there a holiday there? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, okay. You guys can hear it? You can see it, the reflection in my. Can you see it in my window? Okay, well. All right. Oh, I remember. Oh my goodness. I remember during the pandemic, Lord, there was no holidays or nothing, but they would do this like daily, literally. Florida reports more than 429,000 cases of COVID-19 in nearest weekly report. Latest numbers, Florida reports 59,061 new COVID-19 cases. Miami-Dade surpasses 1 million cases as counties see small decline in new weekly cases. Okay, let's just get with the numbers. Let's get with the numbers. Okay. Oh. Florida has caught up no. Okay, California has 6 million. Florida has 4.99 million. It's right on the brisk of 5 million cases. Basically, I'm just going to say 5 million. See, it says 4.99 million. See, 4.99 million in the past 24 hours, 54,994 new cases. That's not that bad because the other day it was like 100 or something or something. It was something insane. Now, as far as deaths, they have hit 63,158 deaths in the past 24 hours, 262 people. So more people have passed away in Florida of COVID than they have in California. And California has like 4 times the amount of people as Florida. Okay, let's go to New York. Let's go to New York. Let's see what's happening in New York. They used to have juicy stores. I don't know. Okay, Omicron in the U.S. states potentially headed for peak as New York COVID-19 hospitalizations drop. So I guess New York City is the benchmark. I'm not exactly sure. COVID update. CDC says cloth masks are not as effective as others. Listen, at this point, nothing is effective. Okay? Cloth, vaccine, whatever. Well, actually, vaccines are effective, but I mean, come on. Air, no air touch. COVID updates. See, but have you. These little pandemic babies are so cute. My little cousin, I went to my cousin's services, and my little cousin was there. He was so cute. I just held him. Oh my God. But his hands, he's little. He's 7 months and he's real little, but his hands are huge. He has huge hands and they're strong. They're strong. Okay. All right. New York City coronavirus hospitalization stabilizing. New York turning the corner. Good. New York COVID numbers are finally trending down. Governor Hochul says, I don't know how to pronounce her name. Can someone phonetically tell me how to pronounce it? Hochul. Hochul? Okay. COVID news. New York City mayor weighs remote learning option. Oh, his brother. Coronavirus briefing. A burnt out crisis, you think? New York State COVID update on Friday. Okay. New York COVID hospitalizations trending down. Hochul says state is turning the corner. 3 days ago, 6 days ago, hours. New York COVID-19 cases starting to. Okay, we just said that. Positivity rate declines. So we're turning the corner. Okay, so we are turning the corner. Local contact tracing to COVID-19 in New York now optional. Governor Hochul updates New Yorkers on state progress. Albany County smashes dubious record with 1,586 new COVID-19 cases. Oh, okay. 40 hospitals in New York forced to stop elective surgery as COVID-19 surges. Option, blocking a mandate. The Supreme Court sided with COVID-19. New York wants you to know what to do if you get COVID-19. Is COVID-19 contact tracing a thing of the past? Health officials say it depends. For coronavirus testings, the nose may not always be the best. That's why I've never been tested for COVID. I don't want someone sticking nothing up. I don't do coke, okay? I'm trying to think, have I ever done sinus water? I don't want nothing up my nose. Nothing. The only thing I want is a finger when I get my boogers tested. I know that's crime. Sorry. For coronavirus testing, then okay, yeah, right there. COVID test misinformation spikes along with spread of Omicron. You think? Why am I having to get another? I gotta go to the bougie, rich white folks neighborhood. The white folks, even though there's some white folks in here, but I gotta go all the way where there's like nothing but whites and Asian. I gotta go all the way to the hills. I'm in the valley. Hills, valley, east side. Yes, I gotta go to west. Saratoga, Cupertino, Los Gatos. They may not be let me stop. Okay, 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 okay. I know. Let me stop. Okay, let me see. 7 hours ago, White House COVID test website launches November 19th, but you could wait for weeks for order. Emirates of Ajman will penalize workers for being exposed to COVID twice. Ooh, that's messed up. That's cold. That's cold. Well, you can't get it. You can't be exposed to it twice. But actually, that's a good thing because I heard like at my job, this girl she claimed she was exposed 5 times. There's nothing they can do about it. New York City area restaurants had record decline in visits during COVID-19 pandemic. New York requires negative COVID-19 tests for nursing home visitors. New York mayor considering virtual learning option as COVID-19 something. Substance abuse rose in New York during the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID news, US hospitalizations break record as Omicron surges. Okay, well, let's look at these numbers. Let's look at the numbers. All right, so total cases in New York City, because you know we do New York City, then we do New York State. New York City has 2.06 million cases, and we don't know in the past 24 hours. We do know, but it's too late. Now, as far as deaths, New York City has 36,509 people who passed away. Now, as far as New York State, New York State has 4.41 million cases of corona. In the past 24 hours, 33,205. That's low compared to California. I think the trend, it starts in New York and somehow it gets 3,000 miles to California. New York, and then it goes all the way. Okay, let me stop that because my arm's going to start hurting. Now, um, again, in the past 24 hours, 33,205 people have contracted it. Now, as far as deaths, New York State has 61,099 people who have passed away, which is far below California. In the past 24 hours, 100. Actually, I like that. I like to get it up and get it out. 150 people have passed away in New York. This whole area, I'm telling you, it's mega, 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 mega. It's just, I got to get this organized because it's like it's closing in on me, literally. I got to get all of this organized. Oh my god. Okay, I'm a hoarder. Hi, my name is Beef, and I'm a hoarder. I wonder, will they get me on hoarding? Can I can I do it? Do they pay you to get on there? I think they like make it worse, and then when people come, maybe not. You know what? I gotta clean up. Anyway, okay, so that's it. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. Do not sit. Do not touch anything. Don't. When you do the thing at the thing, use your pinky. Don't touch doorknobs. Don't touch anything that's been used multiple times all day, every day. I just bleached down my door, both sides, the knobs on my water dispenser, in my bathroom, in my kitchen sink. Like you gotta bleach it down. Yeah, I did just a little solution. I think